And here I may tell you one very important point. Remember it. Nobody can be the representative of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Nobody can be waris of the Holy Prophet ﷺ whose mind and heart both are not illumined. And consequently it was only the Sufis and nobody else. Read the life of Ghawsul Azam. He acquired knowledge to the highest, book knowledge. And he acquired this spiritual illumination also to the highest of his capacity. He was the waris of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and not we who can just talk glibly with our tongue, nothing beyond that. It is said, Al-Ulama'u warasatul Anbiya, the ulama are the inheritors of the mission of the Prophet, certainly. But which ulama? Do kitab wale ulama. Those who go to this institution and that institution, you see, these madrasas, small madrasas of theology, and read their 5 books and come back, are they ulama? Imam Abu Hanifa was alim, and Imam Shafi'i was alim, and Imam Fakhruddin Razi was alim, and I am not capable even to be their student. What these people are going about, I am alim and I am alim, and this is Jam'iyatul Ulama and this is this and that, I cannot understand at all. We should not be so self-conceited. We are not ulama. I have spent 50 years in the pursuit of knowledge. I have studied 27 branches of knowledge, and I have gone to the highest degree of PhD. But ask me, I'll say, swear by God, that I even now know only the ABC of Islam. Islam is an ocean, is an unfathomable ocean of wisdom. And when I see people who are ignorant and who have no knowledge, not to speak even of spiritual illumination, coming forward and creating mischief in the Muslim community, I feel ashamed of myself and of the word alim and of the word muballigh. What do you mean by that? Who is muballigh? Who is muballigh? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the Anbiya alone muballigh. That is their function. The Holy Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wassalam is messenger of God. Remember this point. And anybody who wants to preach Islam will be only his messenger. I ask those who do tabligh, have you got message from the Holy Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam? Have you got any authority from him? It is said that Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti of Ajmer was given farman by the Holy Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam that he should go to Ajmer. And look at his wonderful work. That work is not like my work, who is also called a missionary. The Holy Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam gave the farman and the order and the authority to Ghawsul Azam to go and sit in Baghdad. And he changed the whole course of history. He was a muballigh. Not every Tom, Dick, Harry is a muballigh. What do you mean by that?